This is a part 2 of the last week's video. If you guys have not seen that yet, go check that one out before this. I'll wait. Now that you guys actually watched the video, and now that you guys know a little bit, let me throw this back. About 2 months ago, we literally got added into the Snapchat group chat full of influencers and just fun people around the fucking country. This is where I met my boy Jake. Long story short, I flew over to meet him on the way back from Arizona. This is probably like Arizona come 6. We literally bought our plane tickets back.
Driving back from Arizona right now. Literally just booked our next ticket for our next trip.
Roll the video.
Go. Go. That normal ass jump. Redo it.
What?
You deserve a belly flop. Dumbass! You are not doing no belly. No, you're gonna get knocked the fuck out.
What the fuck?
In the last video, you guys saw us fucking partying throughout the day. This is when it becomes the night. This was not, bro. We didn't have like any sleep. It was like 70 hours no sleep. This is what that did to us.
Oh, Devin, what's going on, boy? What?
It's been like, I don't know how many hours. I'm just saying numbers now. We are going to Waffle House. I'm hungry. I'm so... Merchie, what the fuck do you have grass for?
Hey, I have horses.
So I came with the wrong person. Good morning, sweetheart. You okay?
I really am.
Huh? Wait, hold on. What?
I know I'm tired. I know it's fucking almost 4 a.m. But that doesn't stop me from having a drinking problem.
But I got a drinking problem. But I don't got no problem.
It was not fun. I'll tell you that right now, it was not fun. Anyway, we pulled up to Johnny's house for his like leaving party, whatever the fuck. Johnny, we miss you. Like it's literally only been like 2-3 weeks since I've seen you. Hurry up, bro. Fuck this. I'm coming to Iowa. Jake, bro. Hurry, bro.
Where you going? Where you going? Don't ever let me find out.
It's my guy, John's go away party. And I am sad. Oh, so we flew out here. We had to get this man the time of his life. Yesterday was a movie,
Yesterday was a movie. Tonight, part 2, the sequel.
Part 2.
Homie buys a $380 mic. Can you believe it? Can't spend
so
$15 on a charger. $15 on a charger.
I remember the last spot I plugged it in even. It was right there. Can you believe it?
I knew this trip was worth it.
The last day was fucked. The last day was really fucked. Wow. So we got our hydration on, right? We started going crazy. Invited some friends over, and it was just a mess. The whole night was a mess. Like literally, the sun came up, and we almost missed our flight.
Day two. They got Vinny in the cut.
Let's go. Hey, what's up?
Hey, tell him what's going on.
I'm a fuck John. I mean,
bro. Yo.
Bro ass is stupid. Look at this. Watch this shit.
This is a family channel. This is water.
Yes, sir. Come on. There you go.
Yo, I gotta start drinking water. Oh, I mean, this is water.
It's Sprite. This is Arnie Palmer. Look how many Arnie's we drink.
Going down.
It's a looper float.
Where's ice cream? Where's ice cream?
Okay.
Subscribe to ProjectSploosh. If I finish it, I'm gonna be fucked. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and I'm gonna be on the bottom.
Luis, it's water. She's not gonna put the titties on the camera, so I will.
Wow. You gonna let her speak to you like that? If she talking so much, why is she doing it?
Wake up with this dick.
Hey, but listen, it's
melatonin.
Make sure you guys go subscribe to the boy. Nothing but like content here. My boys are going back to Minnesota, but make sure you follow. Yeah.
Nah, say for the camera. Say something.
No. Bleep that. Go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I kind of did it. It's way too comfortable. No.
Okay, so me and my friends being caught in the parking garage, and then we did like a rooster parking garage next to the water, and then guys splash.
What did you say?
I don't know.
Yeah, what she said.
How far of a drop is?
Probably like 10 meters.
Girl, you use meters? What is wrong with you?
I'm a diver.
Yo, bro ass on top.
No, get on. Oh my god.
No, look. Okay, so every time in Arizona, every time we get drunk, and you want to drink more, you just gotta throw the bitch up, shove your fingers down your throat. Tell me he didn't say whole Niagara Falls.
He said that. You definitely fucking said that shit.
What's up?
That's what we went last week.
I threw a couple up just so I can hit something.
He said round 2. No fucking way.
Oh shit!
Go. I have a whole concussion. Not my
Well, you know, that concludes Devin has a whole concussion now from a beard.
I just changed my shorts. Oh god, I can't change my shorts.
Do not.
Wait.
No.
Both of them are gone. Give me a flashlight.
Found it.
No.
Dude, how do you think I feel? I hang out with him every 3 months.
Yep.
What am I gonna do now?
What are we gonna do? We're gonna do the kiddos. What's
Yes, sir. One time I made this kid cry because I made fun of him because he didn't bring tubes to Havasu.
Oh.
Nobody knows what Havasu
Him
is.
brought over church. I got baptized because of this man.
I baptized that fool.
No, I heard the video. He on God baptized me.
What am I grateful for? Friendship.
The sun is literally coming up. We have a fucking flight in literally less than 3 hours.
180 beers.
2.
Wait. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 30s right here.
10.
And another 30 in here.
One.
We finna finish the bitch tonight.
Water! It's water on
It's
God.
all Devin. Devin drank all of that.
Yeah,
Devin drank all of it.
Devin drank 180 cans in 2 days. Fucking alcoholic and fast boy.
Try it.
90 a night. That's 90 a fucking night. 90 cans a night. You alcoholic.
Hey!
I didn't want it to happen. This is not. No way.
Bro, I woke up, bro. We're gonna miss our whole flight.
Dirty. Decent actually.
My wall is gone, bro.
Everything right now possibly could be going wrong is going wrong.
The fuck wrong?
We started driving.
I forgot my phone.
We damn near can't get back. God damn it. God.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Have you guys seen Home Alone?
This is fucking.
Let's go.
40. It takes 40 minutes to get to the airport.
Bro,
Leave in 40 minutes.
We have an extra 10 minutes.
love you, boy. Peace out. That's how you know it's bad when the fucking shorty at the counter tells you to run. She gave us priority so we can fucking go through. Come on.
I've been needing to edit this video for so long. So least you can do, bro. I am slaving myself. I am killing myself back here. Like the video. Do what you gotta do. I appreciate all you guys. Let's run up the views. Let's run up the numbers. Merch coming soon. New videos, new projects, new everything on the way. Stay tuned. Now let's run it.